We're doing face masks on Halloween. We're at the club now. Halloween cookies and I got ice cream. Halloween movies. How cute she is. We're getting Galindified together. I teach dance classes and today's our Halloween day. So I need to get into costume and we need to do this in the car. Because it's a dance class and the dress is short. I either need to wear these pants under the dress or these white sweats. I think I'm gonna stick to these pants. It might look really weird, but it's fine. Okay guys, dress is on. We're gonna go do the dance class with the kids. Let's unbox something together. Recently I've been trying to like figure out my camera that I got for my birthday, like the settings, how to use it, and I know there's no flash on the Sony ZV-1, so I got an external flash off of Amazon, and luckily this came super quick with my Amazon Prime subscription. So if you guys already don't have a Prime subscription, go get one with my link. If you sign up, if you're 19 to 24, first 6 months are free. And then the other ones are 50% off, so it's really worth it. So I got this external flash by Ulanzi. So let's open it up. So this is a flash. Let's go put it on my camera and see what it looks like with it on. Turns off and on like that. So I'm super excited, guys. We're leaving for New York in 20 days. We got Thai food and sushi.
And we can't even eat it.
And we watched YouTube videos of vloggers in New York. Because we're leaving in 20 days. 21 days. 20.
Tomorrow's November 1st.
Yeah, 20 days.
Sad because there's nobody ringing our doorbell. Only 2 groups, right? And it's Halloween. There should be a lineup at my door.
I got it wrong. We're doing face masks on Halloween because we're staying in. So I'm wearing the Medicube one. Which one do you have?
Activia.
Yeah. I got this one off of Amazon with my young adult subscription. And that one we got it in Greece. So yeah. We also are making cookies. They're in the oven right now. And then we also got cookies and we got ice cream. And we're gonna watch Halloween movies. This year we have like 0 trick-or-treaters, which is so weird, but oh well. I look crazy. Cookies. Ice cream. Face mask. Guys, it's Saturday, November 1st. First of all, happy November. Okay, my hair looks absolutely crazy right now, but it's just because it's in pins. And I didn't go out on Halloween, so we're going out tonight. I'm pulling on my Glinda costume. I have my makeup done. I know it might be a bit hard to see, but let me show you. Woo! Here's our, oh my gosh. Okay, this is the makeup. I know this is very harsh lighting right now and it's very white. So, the makeup done. My hair is curled, but it's in pins right now. I have to leave the house in 2 hours, so I'm really in advance. I'm that type of person. I'll be ready 2 hours early, and yeah, I'll just stress myself out 2 hours earlier. Put on my costume in about an hour and a half before I leave, and you guys are gonna come. We're going to New City Gas in Montreal. It's my first time there. I've never been. We are Galindified. Then we're gonna go to Michaela's house and she's gonna get ready. And then we're gonna leave. Look how cute she is. I'll see you guys at the club. Guys, I don't know what's going on right now, but we walked into these bathrooms at New City Gas. And there's like men and women. And there's like a beauty station with like shit going on. There's no mirrors. vlog. So I decided this is gonna be my outro for the Halloween vlog. So filming on my ZV-1F. Guys, this thing is my prized possession now. So I just woke up and, like, to be real, I'm not in shape at all. I used to dance multiple hours a week last year, and I have a gym membership and I haven't gone in probably 5 months. So today I'm setting myself a goal, and for the next month I want to work out at least 4 times a week. And I know that's probably not gonna happen, like, being realistic, that's probably not gonna happen. But if there's something I do every day, it's post a TikTok or post a video. So if I start documenting my workouts, then I think I'll get more of them done. So yeah, this is day 1 of working out at home, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like light stuff today. I'm not gonna go too hardcore since I haven't moved in a really long time. And hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This was a short one. I'm not sure, I haven't edited it yet. I was gonna edit it today, but it went from cozy Halloween in to going out the next day. And I am breaking out really bad, so, and I'm very tired, as you can tell. So hopefully this is gonna rejuvenate me because I'm in need of it, and I leave for New York in 14 days, so this needs to go. I'm gonna go do my workout now, and then I'll see you guys in 2 weeks because there's gonna be a crazy New York vlog coming. Concerts, restaurants, foods, shopping, like the whole 9 yards. So I'll see you guys then, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog.